Kanye West says Donda 2 will only be available on Stem Player and shares a potential track list. Stem Player is it's a tiny little audio player which allows you to, if you're unfamiliar with the term stem, the stems of a song are sort of the different instruments, different elements that are all mixed together for the final track. So this stem player allows you to, split them up and sort of mix the song yourself. There's also like a few effects on there, a little repeater and things like that. But what's special here is the fact that he's made this deal with, it's his own product. So he didn't make a deal with a streaming platform for any type of exclusive. Instead, he's trying to get $200 for the record. If you want to hear it, you got to buy the stem player. And he basically said that this is getting control back to the artists because artists are only getting 12% of the record sales and the streaming platforms aren't paying very much. And if you buy the stem player, then, I guess he's obviously generating more per sale if they're $200. Right.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is, here's the tough part. As cool as that is, to listen to and mess around with one record, can I...
$200.
Oh, you're upset.
Mm-hmm. That's a lot of money.
Can I load other records on there?
Yes, I think you can. I was talking to Kirk about that.
Maybe that's cool. Oh, do you know where this thing is? We have one here. Do you know where it is?
We had one, but I have no idea where to find it.
Oh, no. We shouldn't play
You don't play that song. How dare you? You don't know where to find it. He doesn't know where to find it.
It's around here somewhere.
We got a lot of stuff here. So
says he didn't do anything with it. We got to ask Jack, I guess. Jack's been remixing Donda. So anyway, you could get it. You could put the last Donda on there. Uh-huh. But now this is the exclusive where it's the only way to hear it. Now, I wonder what is going to happen with the Billboard stuff, or if he even cares about streaming numbers. Or if any of this is real, or if it's like only available on the stem player for a week.
Yeah.
And then it goes everywhere else. Here, it was announced on Instagram, stem player trending. Go to stemplayer.com to be a part of the revolution. I feel that same feeling like when I first moved to New York to make it in music. Oh, he's playing off of the documentary. He's been watching the documentary.
Okay, good. Good, Kanye.
I ain't know what was going to happen, but I knew I had to move after 10 albums. After being under 10 contracts, I turned down a $100 million Apple deal. No one can pay me to be disrespected. We set our own price for our art. Tech companies made music practically free. So if you don't do merch, sneakers, and tours, you don't eat. Jay-Z made Tidal and fake media attacked him. Well, in the words of my big brother, come and get me. I'm willing to die standing cause. Standing. Because I ain't living on my knees no more. God, please cover me. I run this company 100%. I don't have to ask for permission. This is our second generation stem player. We have more things we're working on. I feel like how I felt in the first episode of the documentary. I think he likes the documentary.
I think so too.
That's two references in that post. I don't know how fans are going to feel about it because I saw a couple of tweets today, people saying, don't worry, everybody. I'll buy the stem player and upload the music for you right away. Oh. Like, I don't know that people are...
I don't think he thought this through.
What do you mean?
In terms of distribution.
That everyone's going to just pirate it now?
Yeah, or just thinking that people will buy the stem player just to listen to Donda 2.
Well, I think what he's banking on, if you read the thing there, is he's...
If you actually read it.
Well, no, like what I'm saying is like I think his point of view is that people will support him because he's suggesting that this is the proper way to support an artist. Directly from them buying their hardware. He's hoping that you'll do it not because you think it's reasonable, but because you support him regardless. And if you look at with the sneakers and stuff, the Yeezys and this and that, there are some people who will do it because they're just huge fans. And I suppose the question for him, if it's about revenue, well, maybe it isn't. He said, I turned down $100 million. I don't know. Does he sell $100 million worth of stem players at 200?
It would be interesting to see.
Probably not. You know, he's probably, if it was strictly about revenue, probably the Apple deal is better. But he seems to be on some kind of wave right now. And this is definitely an unorthodox move. Listen, other artists have done similar things, right? They package.
Into an
I'm
NFT
sure
or
you've heard
something.
about packaging. No, even before NFTs, packaging.
okay.
Like you're gonna get the record and you get some kind of special merch or
An NFT.
an NFT more recently. But packaging would help to boost sales because you're really selling a T-shirt, but the person gets the record for free. Do you know what I'm saying?
Sure.
And they would make it more attractive in that way. This is a different kind of packaging, obviously, in the sense that you're going to pay $200 for the record.
If I wanted to listen to Donda 2,
Yes.
I have to get this. Okay, I get it. But if I listen to most of my music on my drive, would I be able
You're
to?
going to have to carry it around.
I'd have to carry it around?
No, what's going to happen is people are going to upload it.
No, I understand that.
Yeah.
But like, let's say, that's what I'm saying. I don't think Kanye's thought this through, is that even for the people who buy it, how are they going to?
I assume the thing has Bluetooth, right?
I don't.
I believe
think so,
the player
yeah.
has Bluetooth. So you
Okay.
will be able to connect it.
Okay.
Let's see here. Bluetooth, yes, there you go. Soft scan haptics. You will be able to connect it. It has a speaker and it has its own speaker. So a lot of
doing that.
97
Nobody's
dB. Yeah, it has Bluetooth, so you're gonna
Okay.
carry this other device around every time you want to listen to it.
Sure.
Listen, I don't know. Maybe he should just do that for 2 weeks or something, and then put it on the platforms after that.